Okay, so we're working with a 2015 Lincoln Navigator, and the problem is the running boards were stuck open. So I replaced the motor, and now they're in reverse order. Are you showing this?
Mm-hmm.
So when you open the door, they fold in. When you close the door, they fold out. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, so if you look at this plug, you'll see 3 prongs, 1, 2, 3 on the bottom, and 2 prongs, one there and one there. These 2 prongs need to be reversed. Now in my case, they're a pink and a white wire. So I've got them snipped, and all I'm going to do is cut them back, switch them around, and we should be good to go. Okay, so you can see I swapped the white to the pink and the pink to the white. And we'll plug it up and see what it does. Alright, so now doors open, we fold out, doors close, back in. Problem solved.